Yeah, there's one more thing I wanted to mention about these earbuds that I forgot to mention in the last video is that these things are loud. They are very sensitive, which means you could play your music very loud using very little volume or power. These things have a high sensitivity. And I noticed this when I play, a lot of my music through my laptop. I noticed that I would have to, turn the volume down on my laptop because these were too loud. And the same thing, I use my digital recorder right here, the one I just recently reviewed. I use this, as an MP3 player sometimes, and I have to tell you, when I hook these the earbuds up to this device, I have to turn the volume all the way down on one because these are too loud when I'm using these earbuds. And again, that's what I forgot to mention in the last video. These play very loud. And, these are probably some of the loudest earbuds I have ever heard, out of all the ones that I reviewed. These really play loud. So I just wanted to mention that because I forgot to mention it. So that's about it. Thank you.